Hi students, if you are unable to concentrate in your studies, if your interest is decreased day by day, and if you are having so many distractions while studying, then this video is going to be very much useful to you. Please spare some time and watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Today's topic is very important topic for every child, because I am going to discuss on how to increase our interest in our studies and how to keep ourselves focused into it. Most of the students come to me saying that, sir, with a positive intention I said, but after some time I get deviated, I get distracted from my studies. What to do? There are two types of works, deep work and shallow work. Deep work is a work which needs full of our concentration. It cannot be done with distractions. Example, while writing examination, for 3 hours we sit in a calm environment without having any disturbances. Our goal, complete goal, is to write examination and the right answer. This work gives us more quality in less time. Then the second one is shallow work. Shallow work can be done with distractions. Example, while brushing, your mind goes somewhere. You will be thinking of your homework, you will be thinking of your school or something. Or while eating, you watch television. Most of the time, we feel that it is a multitask, but it is not a multitask. It is a shallow work. Why we have failed to focus in our studies? Because studies need deep work, and there we are doing this shallow work. So if you can understand how to do this deep work, then your complete problem is solved of concentrating in your studies. So let's learn how to do this deep work. To do this deep work, we need zero distractions. Our distraction should become zero. Children, what pulls you out of your studies? Your hobbies, your habits, your interest will pull you out of your studies. Example, if you are a cricketer, your ball and bat in the room will pull you out of your studies. If you are addicted to your video games, then your mobile kept on the table will pull you out of your studies. So my dear students, you first put these distractions away. These are the known distractions. Create an environment at home where there is a sufficient light, ventilation, table, chair, and see that there is no other material kept there which can distract you. I mean, the only material which is needed for the studies should be kept on the table. Now when you sit for the studies, still you will have distractions. Don't worry. The moment you are distracted, you take a white paper and a pen and you write, I am distracted today because of this reason. Go out, spend some time and come back to studies. If you are again distracted, you write the second reason. This is the reason that I have been distracted. This is how you can list out unknown distractions and you can kill them one by one. Children, this is how you can make your distractions zero. Next point is intensive focus. Stop doing multiple tasks. Have a single task and keep concentrating on it. Attention is like a muscle which needs practice. So this practice has to be done daily in every work. Like if you are drinking a glass of water, usually while drinking water your thoughts will go here and there. Now you try to bring those thoughts into this water. How much water it is it filtered or not, from where this water has come, such thoughts should come into your brain. So children, whatever the work you do, you just try to concentrate on that work. Slowly your focus will increase. Children, the most important tool is checklist. Have a small notes for each and every subject and have the chapter name and then 3 columns: serial number, content or question, and then status. Serial number 1, write the question, and status, whether it is A, B, C. What are these A, B, C? If you have learned it perfectly, have A. If you have not learned, just partially read it, have B. And if you have not touched it, have C. So likewise, you can write question number 2, question, and then status. 3, question, status. So what are the benefits of this checklist? The first benefit is that by the evening, you are understanding whether how much you read and how much you did not read. Second benefit is that you are getting so much of satisfaction that I have completed this much work. That increases your energy and that boosts your work on the second day. Third benefit, that most of the students ask me that when I am reading second chapter, sir, first chapter, I get a doubt in first chapter whether it is there in the memory or not. So as you're creating so much of accountability here, it clocks in your mind that you knew this much content. And most important benefit of this checklist is your revision work. Most of the students confused as are doing revision, whether what to revise first and what not. So here in your checklist, you have three categories: A, B, C. A is not much required because you are perfect at. B is red half, so you can concentrate in B much and then go for C. So very easy way you can revise the content, and you can also gauge how much subject you have studied perfectly and how much you have revised. So if you follow all these tips, children, you can really increase your interest in your studies, and also you can keep your focus in your studies. I'll be coming with many more videos which are useful for you all. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and if you're not subscribed, you subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.